Hello aspirants, in this particular video we are going to discuss about the elimination technique, that is the loophole in the UPSC questions with which UPSC plays around. So friends, I am taking as an example of UPSC 2020 questions. In this particular question we are gonna look over the loopholes that was present in the question and what we should seek while attempting the question in the real examination condition. So my friends, the first question is with reference to visible light communication technology, which of the following statements are correct? So friend, here the catchword is visible light communication technology, and in this particular catchword the keyword could be a visible light. Here it is, the question is asking about the current statements about visible light communication. So the first option is VLC uses electromagnetic spectrum wavelengths 375 to 780 nanometer. So here the crux of this option is that he is asking about the fact of the wavelength. He is asking particularly about the fact. Okay friends, so like in the examination condition we likely to forget the fact, so let us assume that we don't know this statement. Okay, now the second statement, the second option, the second statement, VLC is known as long range optical wireless communication. So here the catchword is long range optical wireless communication. So friends, let us assume we don't know this option also. Let us come to the third option, that is VLC can transmit large amount of data faster than Bluetooth. So here the catchword is Bluetooth and large amount of data transfer, data transmit, like data transfer. And the fourth is VLC has no electromagnetic interference. So let us assume that we don't know any of these statement given by UPSC in the examination hall and we are attempting this question. So what is the loophole that we gonna discuss, which was given in UPSC question? So friends, we don't know anything about it, but friend, most of us has heard about Bluetooth. That Bluetooth is a short, like it is a short range thing. It covers only short range, and the data transfer, the speed of the data transfer is directly proportional uh, to the distance. It is directly proportional to the distance. So friend, here the option is telling about the uh, v- saying that VLC transmit the large amount of data faster than Bluetooth. So if this option particularly says that, if this option is, if we can assume this option as a right, that this option is right, this option is correct, then it is it it implies that VLC VLC is also a short range thing, is short range thing, because if it is short, if this statement is right and if VLC is short range, then only it will transmit large amount of data faster than Bluetooth. Otherwise generally it is not possible, because the speed of transferring of data from Bluetooth is directly proportional to the distance between the two devices. It is a common fact. So if it is right, we are assuming it right, then we go to the second option. VLC is known as long range optical wireless communication. So here it is saying that VLC is long range, it is long range. So if it is long range, and here what we concluded, that it is a short range, so it is a fact that 2 and 3 can't be correct in altogether. So where in this four options where you are getting 2 and 3 together, you can eliminate that. So 2 3 got, it is got, and 2 3 4 also had this A and D got eliminated. Now there is two option remaining, 1 to 4 and 1 3 4, and in this particular scenario 1 and 4 is 1 and 4 is correct. We have to just eliminate between 2 and 3. So friend, if we are unable to eliminate between B and C, then also there is 50% chance of getting this question correct. But in the earlier scenario, if we are knowing nothing about this question, there are very high chance of getting it incorrect. So in any case we are in a better scenario. But still, if we again read this question, then perhaps we will able to eliminate the options that is left over. So the thing is, VLC is known as long range optical wireless communication. And the third statement is VLC can transmit large amount of data faster than Bluetooth. So friends, and here the question is visible light communication. So VLC, it is a communication, it is a light communication. So friends, if we think about the light, like the communication which is gonna happen with light, so can we think that a light could be communicated to a very long distance thing? uh, if if light could be medium of communication, it can't pass through the solid material. If like if if we are putting a torch in front of tree, a shadow will come to the other side, but the light won't go. So when we are thinking about light, when we are thinking about the communication thing with light, we have to make sure that in between, in its way, nothing should be come around. So in a very long range communication, long wireless optical communication, we can't imagine this thing, like long thing with a light communication technology. The third option, in spite the third option, which is VLC can transmit large amount of data faster than Bluetooth. Friends, it is a practical experience that any technology, whether it is an internet technology, or it is a light technology, it is a like upgraded technology. Bluetooth was Bluetooth, while we transfer data from internet, it solely depends upon the speed of the internet, not the distance, not the size of the data, nothing. It will solely depend on the how mbps or kbps, the speed of the internet. So a friend if friends if we think like which option is likely to be correct, we can easily think that option 3 could be, like it is more likely to be correct as compared to option 2. So in that particular case, the C would be the right option. So actually the C is the right option, and that is how we should eliminate the question using the loophole that has been given in UPSC exam.